Hey class 8th, today we introduce a new chapter here. Daily Maths class 8th, chapter 5, and our chapter name is Profit Loss and Discount. Before introducing the definition of profit loss and discount, I introduce here you firstly cost price and selling price. So the amount paid to purchase an article or the price at which an article is made is known as its cost price and it is abbreviated as CP. And selling price is the price at which an article is sold is called its selling price and it is abbreviated as SP. And the definition of profit is if the selling price SP means SP is greater than the cost price, the difference between the selling price and the cost price is called profit. And formula of the profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Our next term is profit percent. Profit percent is the profit that would be obtained for a cost price of rupees 100. Profit percent formula, profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. The definition of loss is if the selling price of an article is less than the cost price, the difference between the cost price and the selling price is called loss. The formula of loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. And the next term is loss percent. Loss percent is the loss that would be made for a cost price of rupees 100. Loss percent formula, loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price multiply by 100. Here are some formulas. When we have given profit, so then we apply the formula of this cost price and the formula of cost price is equal to selling price multiply by 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. And when we given here profit and we calculate the selling price, then we apply the formula cost price multiply by 100 plus profit percent upon this 100. For loss, the cost price we apply the formula of cost price when we calculate CP. The formula we apply here selling price multiply 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. And the formula of selling price for loss when we calculate selling price, the formula is cost price multiply 100 minus loss percent upon 100. Now let us start our question number 1 of this worksheet 1 of chapter 5 name profit loss and discount. So here this is our question number 1 of worksheet 1 and our question number 1 is by selling a bed sheet for rupees 640 a shopkeeper earns a profit of 28%. How much did it cost the shopkeeper? In this question we have to find the cost price. We have given here selling price SP is equal to rupees 640 here and we have also given profit percent which is equal to 28. Here the selling price SP of bed sheet is equal to rupees 640 and profit percent is equal to 28 and in this we have to find the CP. So for profit we apply the formula here. CP means cost price is equal to selling price means SP multiply by 100 upon 100 plus 100 plus profit percent. Here P means profit. Now put the value of SP here and then the profit percent value here. I write here CP cost price is equal to we have given SP in the question that is rupees 640 multiply by 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. We have given in the question profit percent is equal to 28. Now I write here CP is equal to 640 multiply by 100. This is equal to 64000 upon 100 plus 28 which is equal to 128. Now from here here 8 is a even number. So it is both are divisible in the last here is 0. Both are divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 4 are 8. From here 2 3 are 6. 2 2 are 4. Triple 0 here. 2 3 are 6. 2 2 are 4. 2 1 are 2. 2 6 is 12. 12. 1 2 3 zeros. 2 1 are 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 8 are 16. Triple 0 with 8. 2 8 are 16. 2 4 are 8. Triple 0 with 4. 2 4s are 8, 1000 here, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, double 0 here. Here this is 2, 2 2s are 4, here is 1000, here is 1000. Then 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10, double 0. So from here CP is equal to rupees 500. So the cost price of the bed sheet is equal to rupees 500. So this is the question. This is the solution of this our question number 1. That's all in today's video.